Hello guys! In this video I will guide you through our web application, which is called PolyPie. PolyPie is a polyrhythm and polymeter bit generator that uses a clock-like representation of musical time. It means that the representation is circular rather than linear. So once you press start, the first page appears, and this is the polyrhythm section. We also have the polymeter section over here, and a brief info section with a link to our GitHub repository. So let's go to polyrhythm first, and we see that we have two input boxes where we can set values of polyrhythm. The host over here represent the main poles over which the guest is superimposed, so this one up. Let's try, for instance, 7/4, this polyrhythm, okay, and let's see how it plays. Alright, so we can also make it faster, and you hear that it changed the chords. Okay, so let's try with something a bit crazy, like 32/31. Okay, so you can change values up to 32. Okay. Okay, fast. Alright, that's the idea. So now let's move to the polymeter page. And in this page we have two pairs of inputs to represent the two signatures of the meter we are going to play. These meters are superimposed, so they play at the same time. And let's try, for instance, 7/8/4/4. Okay, so it's similar to the previous polyrhythm, but the representation is different. So each pi represents a full measure of the corresponding meter, and unlike before, we only play once every full turn. You can see here that we can speed up, okay, and slow down, and we also add a shifted pi. Okay, this additional feature can take the first or second meter subdivision. We can switch between the meter 1 or the meter 2, so this is the meter 2, and we can shift the amount backward and forward, and you see that it plays. So that was all. Here you see our info, the meaning and the aim of our web application. For further information, you just go here in our GitHub repository. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for attention, and let's go and play.